if you're new here, my name is Jackie and I'm really happy to have you here. My channel is dedicated to all things cozy and slow living. I also love to be in nature, be outside, and visit cute little cabins and cottages. Like, that is my thing. Currently, I am staying at an adorable little cottage. It's the morning. I think it's like 10 a.m. now. The rooster's still going, so if you hear that in the background, that's the rooster. So anyways, I'm staying at this adorable cottage right now. I did a full I'm staying at this adorable cottage right now. I did a full YouTube tour, so if you missed that, go check it out because it is so adorable. Right now I'm in the master bedroom. Sorry I didn't make my bed, but it looks cute. If you didn't see the tour, check it out because it's the most like cute cottagecore practical magic cabin ever. So if you're really into that, you're gonna love this place. Coffee. I think I'm just gonna be sipping on coffee all morning. Anyways, I'm here in this cottage today, and I think today's vlog is just gonna be like some bits and bops. Like, we are gonna go frolic through the woods probably. Right now it's raining. That's why my hair is all over the place. I woke up early and curled it. For what? For what? No reason at all. So I'm just gonna embrace what the rain and nature is gonna do to my hair today. We're gonna get a little feral. Honestly, that's when I feel the most beautiful. It's like when I'm feral. Today's just gonna be like a little cozy vlog. I plan on frolicking through the forest a little bit with my coffee as soon as the rain dies down a little bit. I also pretty sure I'm gonna go to this adorable like country Appalachian pumpkin patch. There's also sunflower fields. So I don't know how to explain it, but pumpkin patches in the mountains, especially like the Blue Ridge Mountains, Appalachian Mountains, it's a different vibe than a pumpkin patch in the city. It doesn't even compare. Like, when you just have pumpkins in an open field, like with nature surrounding you, it's perfect. I've never sat down and done a video. I'm kind of liking this. I know I've usually done my hand and I've had a few people be like, stop, you're making me dizzy. I was like, okay, today I'm gonna sit down, make it still, and I'm gonna talk to the camera. So now I know why YouTubers do this. You guys, just thank you for being patient with me. I am slowly learning how to do YouTube. I'm slowly learning how to talk to the camera, how I should be setting up, where I should be setting up. And yeah, I just appreciate you. Maybe one day I will get a real camera, but right now I'm still on my phone. We'll figure out storage, but I'm just trying to keep it simple and something that I can do easily. So I appreciate you guys giving me like all of the feedback and letting me know what you like and don't like, and I'm getting there. So thank you for being here. Also, y'all are just amazing. I feel like I could have coffee chats with you guys forever, you know? Okay, anyways, let's go see what the day has in store for us. I hope the rain stops a little bit, but I got some Hunter rain boots that I'm really, really excited about. I don't know why it took me so long to get rubber boots because I am always frolicking through the woods, frolicking through fields. I don't know why it took me that long. I finally made the commitment. If you live near North Georgia, this place is in Suches. You should really check it out. I'll link the Airbnb in the description again, but go check out the tour. I'm telling you, go check out the tour. You're gonna love this place. Okay, let's go frolic and have some fun. there's this like 1 mile trail off of the cabin. And I think there's a cute little field over there. Oh my God, it's gonna be so magical. You guys, I love a field, I love a meadow. You guys. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Oh my gosh. I bet so many deer come out here in the morning. How beautiful. Y'all, I made it to the pumpkin patch! I'm so excited! Okay, well that didn't last too long. It started raining while I was out in the sunflower fields, like pretty hard. Like definitely made for a moody pumpkin patch day. I'll probably call it a day on the vlog. So I hope you guys enjoyed this cozy little vlog of mine, and I will see you guys next time. Make sure to like and subscribe, comment, let me know if you like this type of video. And until next time,